Hey beauties, are you tired of dealing with dry, cracked heels? Today, I'm sharing 20 natural tips to get soft, beautiful feet. Let's dive right in. First up, soak your feet in warm water with Epsom salt. This not only soothes your feet, but also helps to soften tough skin. Do this for about 20 minutes. Next, exfoliate using a homemade scrub. Mix sugar and coconut oil to create a gentle yet effective scrub. Rub it on your heels in circular motions to remove dead skin cells. Hydration is key. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to dry, cracked skin. Moisturize your feet every night before bed. Use a thick, rich cream or even pure shea butter. Put on a pair of cotton socks to lock in the moisture overnight. Another great tip is to use honey. It's a natural humectant that draws moisture into your skin. Apply a thin layer to your feet. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off. For a relaxing treatment, try a foot bath with apple cider vinegar. It helps balance the pH level of your skin and fights foot odor. Mix it with warm water and soak for 15 minutes. Don't forget about pumice stones. They are fantastic for gently sloughing off dead skin. Use it after your foot soak for the best results. Aloe vera is another miracle worker. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your heels to soothe and hydrate. This is especially great if your feet are sunburned. Try a DIY foot mask with mashed bananas. Bananas are rich in vitamins that nourish and soften the skin. Apply the mask, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse. Olive oil isn't just for cooking. Massage a few drops into your feet for deep hydration. It's packed with antioxidants and healthy fatty acids. Switch to natural, breathable socks. Synthetic materials can trap moisture and cause irritation. Cotton or bamboo are the best choices. Use tea tree oil for its antifungal properties. Add a few drops to your moisturizer or foot soak to keep your feet healthy and free from infections. Lemon juice can brighten and soften your skin. Mix it with a bit of baking soda and rub gently on your heels. Rinse thoroughly and apply moisturizer. Try a vinegar and Listerine foot soak. This combo helps to exfoliate and soften rough skin. Mix equal parts of each with warm water and soak for 15 minutes. Keep your feet elevated when you can. This helps reduce swelling and improves blood circulation. Use oatmeal as a gentle exfoliant. Mix it with milk to create a paste. Rub it on your feet. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse. Avocado is not just for guacamole. Mash it and apply to your feet for a nourishing mask that's rich in vitamins and fatty acids. Pamper your feet with a milk and honey soak. The lactic acid in milk gently exfoliates while honey moisturizes. Cucumber slices can soothe and refresh tired feet. Place slices on your heels and wrap with a cloth. Relax for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Finally, practice regular foot care. Trim your nails, remove polish regularly, and always moisturize. Healthy habits lead to beautiful feet. That's it for today. Try these tips and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of those feet.